Welcome to Travel, Learn, Repeat. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget.
Last Christmas, we decided to celebrate down south, exploring parts of Georgia and Tennessee. Among all the charming little towns we visited, one place truly stood out. Helen, Georgia, a mountain gem that felt like stepping right into a Bavarian postcard. Helen is nestled in White County, Georgia, right in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains, along the Chattahoochee River. It's famously called Georgia's Alpine Village, and the moment we arrived, we could see why. Every corner, every roof, every signpost carries that charming Bavarian-style architecture. Half-timbered facades, gingerbread-trimmed balconies, and bright colors that make you feel like you've traveled to a tiny European town. We visited in the afternoon, and the town was buzzing with life. Tourists and locals filled the streets, sipping hot cocoa, shopping for handmade gifts, and snapping photos by the Christmas tree in the square. The German-style architecture, decked out in holiday lights, pine garlands, and red bows, created the perfect Christmas fairy tale atmosphere. During Christmas time, Helen transforms into a true winter wonderland. The streets sparkle with lights, carolers sing festive tunes, and the smell of roasted nuts and baked pretzels fills the air. Even though snow isn't guaranteed here in Georgia, the crisp mountain air and cozy festive spirit make it feel just as magical. December in Helen is cool and brisk, with daytime temperatures around 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 13 degrees Celsius, and chilly evenings that can dip close to freezing. If you're visiting during the holidays, be sure to bring a warm jacket, scarf, gloves, and comfortable shoes, especially since you'll want to walk around the village. You'll find plenty of German-inspired treats that make Christmas in Helen special. Warm glühwein, spiced mulled wine, served at local taverns. Freshly baked strudel, gingerbread cookies, and Bavarian pretzels. Hearty schnitzel and bratwurst dinners at restaurants like Hofbrauhaus and Bodensee. And of course, you can't miss the Christmas market booths selling ornaments, wooden crafts, and festive souvenirs. Helen's downtown is compact and walkable, perfect for exploring on foot. Most of the main festive attractions, shops, and restaurants are within a few blocks of one another, centered around Main Street. Parking lots are available just outside the village area, but during the holidays it's smart to arrive early, as the crowds pick up quickly. Once you park, you can comfortably stroll through the heart of the celebration. Everything from the riverside walkways to the Christmas tree plaza is easy to reach. Although we didn't stay until evening to see the full Christmas lights glowing against the dark mountain sky, the village already had a magical feel during the day. From the sounds of holiday music echoing between buildings to the scent of cinnamon and pine, Helen welcomed us with warmth and cheer. Helen, Georgia might be small, but its festive heart is huge. It's the kind of place that reminds you what the holidays are all about. joy, togetherness, and a touch of magic in unexpected corners of the world. Our Christmas in this little Alpine village truly made the season special. And if you're ever looking for a southern town that feels like a European Christmas dream, Helen should be high on your list.
That's all for now. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.